Unlock your dream of studying in the USA with International Students Consultants, a trusted and registered entity in the Washington state. We specialize in helping students from Africa connect with top-tier universities and colleges across the United States. Why choose us? You see, navigating the journey to studying in the US can be complex, but we make it simple and seamless. Our team of experts provide personalized support to help you every step of the way, from choosing the right school to securing your visa. We offer a range of reputable services, including connecting students with reputable U.S. educational institutions, providing expert advice on college or university selection, assisting with application processes, offering guidance on scholarship and financial aid, supporting students with the visa, application and travel arrangements, and exchange programs. Remember, your American education journey starts here. Let's turn your dreams into reality. Get in touch with us today via WhatsApp message only. Our number is +1 206 657 9476. Or write us an email or log on to our website running on your screen. U.S. International Students Consultants, unlocking your American education opportunity.